Hello, welcome to Puzzler channel. This channel means to travel with puzzle. At the end of a video, you will see my finished puzzle and I also shared about the history of it. Today, I'm trying to build this, one of the most tourist attraction ever in New York City, we all call Liberty. Okay, this Statue of Liberty puzzle included pieces, 32 pieces, and the cover page show 3+. It is okay for 3+ and 3 stars. So hopefully it is not very difficult for me. All right, let's build it up. First, I'll take out everything. Normally it comes with 2 plastic bags. One is inside for the puzzle and the other one is for the packaging. But for this one, I've already taken them off. Okay, there go 3 cards. Put it nicely by puzzle pieces, and this will be for some broken pieces, but it still can use. And it also included plastic stick. It's like a pen, but you can use both sides when we do the puzzle. We can pop it up, and also got the instruction by numbers. So
even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just give me up. Don't be scared. I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad. Cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad. I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just give me up. Don't be scared.
Okay, this is the last pieces, so I'm gonna put, and you guys will be enjoying and have fun. Let's do it. So it's all done, and check it out. Alright. Yeah, this is cool, right? So this is perfect. Actually, for the first time, I lost some pieces, but I found back and I put it back. So everything is perfect right now. In the instruction, they already write down everything of the history. So I'll read it out loud for you guys. So the Statue of Liberty, officially titled Liberty Enlightening the World, dedicated on October 28, 1886, is a monument commemorating the centennial of the signing of the United States Declaration of Independence, given to the United States by the people of France to represent the friendship between the two countries established during the American Revolution. They mention all the height and feet tall, so I'll read it out loud for again. The statue standing on Liberty Islands in New York Harbor is 151 feet, so which is 46 meters tall. The base of the Statue of Liberty is a well-known Joseph Pulitzer to rise $1 million base. The base is now a U.S. Immigration History Museum. In 1984, The Statue of Liberty is listed as World Cultural Heritage. I can surely tell you is you enjoying every single things of what we do in this video. Alright, from my puzzle channel, more puzzle videos to come, so you guys don't forget to subscribe and make sure you guys ring the bell. See you, love, peace.